Miquel Calçada, and we're in Catalonia, and we're in the capital of Catalonia, Barcelona. This is a country called Catalonia, an old one. We used to be a country with our full administrative body, and since 1714, that we were defeated on the Succession War.
By who?
We were defeated by the army of the two crowns, French and Spain. And so we lost our liberties, our constitutions, our way of self-government.
Right.
Since then, we have been struggle to govern ourselves. And now we are in a sort of transitional time. We, the people of Catalonia, because of our history, because of our language, because of our own culture, like any other country in the world, want to rule ourselves. And that's the point. We've been trying to accommodate our country into Spain. We belong to us, yeah, but not nationalistic in a sense of, in a violent sense. I mean, is just a way to recognize ourselves. To constitute a nation, you have to ask the people. If they recognize themselves as a nation, then then here you are. I mean, I invite all the people to come here and to visit our country and to. And just walk around and see that there's this is an European country. We want to remain in Europe. We feel we are European, and we want to express and we want to keep on being a part of Europe.